Hey guys, welcome back with another video. I'm Jacob looking at What's Up Jacob. Today I'm actually going to this mall, Chinese mall. So my dad wants to go there. So I'm actually going to be I actually got a new shirt right here, and I'm gonna put it on me like that, and so I'll see you guys later. I'm just gonna change into my clothes and we'll be back. Okay guys, bye. So hey guys, I have my shirt now. It actually says New York. My cousins got it for me. Shout out to them. And also like I told you, we are going to a Chinese market, and so hope you have a great time. Please like and subscribe and turn on those post notifications, and we'll be back. I'm actually going to actually just fast forward, like cut it and then go back. But we're gonna be driving now, so you'll just take a little break, and please like and subscribe and turn on those post notifications. Hey guys, I'm back. I'm sorry. It has been a little long. We actually were going to that market, but we can't because it was closed. It closed at like 8, and like we were there at 8:20, so like 20 minutes late. So then we went to this place called Pacific Mall, closed, and it was also closed at 7. And now it's 9:05. It's actually just 9:03. And so right now we're actually just in Young Street, I think, and then we have these nice places, like you see Boston Pizza, there's like lots of Jackass, there's lots of Korean barbecue things. So we might go to one of them. We are actually going to be walking, and we are going to be back at 3, 2, 1. Hey guys, welcome, and I'm back. And so we were like that's my mom and dad. We're like just like right here in the parking lot, and we actually decided to have ramen noodles at Kington Ramen. And we have our drinks of Coke. What do you have?
Just water.
Yep.
They're all water.
Wait, we know?
Yeah.
Oh, sorry guys. They're actually all water. And so, please like and subscribe and turn on those post notifications. Turn on. Wait. Can I have this? Can I have this?
Yeah, that's for your ramen.
Yeah. Okay, hey.
Put it on the table.
Yeah, it's dirty. So I have my water. I actually never drank here outside. Let's tap. We have my mom and my dad. They all both have water. Okay. Coke.
Where's the Coke go?
It's for this little guy here.
Coke?
Thanks. Okay. And so, wanna share?
Oh, no, that's right.
Alright. Okay. So then we would just need to actually
Look, baseball. There, look. You can see.
okay guys.
What? Yung ganyan, free parking. You want me to record for you?
Okay. And so I have my Coca-Cola. Oh, this is hard. Sorry. Okay. And so I have my straw.
I forgot to tell you na dapat 500.
So just, oh, sorry. It's the. Ay.
Siguro isang branch yung meron ako ng
Sorry guys, but
ibang branch yung
thanks. Okay guys, that's the end of the video. I think it might be too long. And turn on those post notifications and turn on that bell. And also subscribe. Peace. Welcome back with another video. I'm Jacob Joaquin at What's Up Jacob. Like I said, we are in that ramen place and we have our food. Looks so good. Ate, how is your ball that it's called takoyaki? Right there we have our water, our Coke. We have everything. There have beer, they have everything. And this is like the best
Really good.
thing ever. So right now I'm gonna be eating, so that's a little bit. We're just gonna cut a little bit and then gonna tell you when we are done eating, and then I can tell you how it tastes like. See ya. Hey guys, I'm sorry. It has been one day since I forgot to tell you how after we ate that ramen, and so it was actually pretty good, and it was pretty good. It's in Kington Ramen. It's called Kington Ramen if you want to try it. I remember in the washroom, the mirrors were shaped as a pig. And also, yes. And so, then I guess that's the end of the video. Please like and subscribe and turn on those post notifications. See ya.